here in the second location in Rizal. We traveled for around 3 hours. So we've done some shots. Walk through na lang sila sa baba with the owner. Yung property is more Mediterranean. Maganda rin yung itsura niya. And they also have a pool. May isa pa akong pang swimming, ewan ko lang itong mga kasama ko. So later, talon tayo. This is the last destination for this 3-day shoot. It's been fun. Sana marami pang ganito. We just had dinner. It was courtesy of our hosts, the property owner. Dito kami, umalis na yung property owner kasi may pasok sila bukas. Kalimutan ko, hindi nga pala weekend ngayon. So, usap namin si Yani. Mika. Si Mika at si Kuya CJ. Usap namin si Yani. Actually, kausap ni Jam. Nasa phone, tinotour niya. Kaya tayo. Saan si Jam? Master! Ayun pala. Nauna pala ako. Ayan. Usap niya si Yani. Say hi. Say hi. Yani. This is the pool area. I think this is the first property na napuntahan namin or at napuntahan ko sa OG na merong 6 feet. Yeah. It ranges from 4 to 6 feet. So ito. It's swimming time. Si Jam nasa loob nag-video okay. We did some video okay kanina. Participated, sang a few songs. But now, it's time to go for a dip. So, Jam won't be joining us. May gagawin daw siya and busy siyang mag-videoke. Si Mika tulog na, so it's just gonna be me and Kuya CJ. I think I can use my action cam here kasi hindi naman na mainit yung tubig. There's no risk na masira. Walang heater yung pool dito unlike dun sa location kagabi. Let's test it out. Woo! It's chilly. Yung problem natin kahapon, mainit. Ngayon naman malamig. It's gonna take some adjusting. Just like yesterday. I'm shaking. I'm shivering. Medyo malamig.
Para sa may sakit.
Big Buster. We're going to Petroglyphs. Sama natin si Kuya CJ tsaka si Mika. Si Jam nagpaiwan muna kasi mag-shoot siya ng mga details. Yung Petroglyphs daw is a rock formation which is one of the things na pinopromote ng property owner. Pag magstay ka sa property nila, they can offer to bring you there. Yan. Let's go! So we went to the Petroglyphs, kaya lang mahigpit doon, so hindi na ako nag-spill. I just took some B-rolls. Before you get to the Petroglyphs, you have to pass by this long cave or tunnel thing. Para siyang it's like the entrance. So once you get there, makikita mo doon sa side nung parang massive rock. I'm not sure if it's a mountain. Merong mga carvings, mga drawings apparently. So these drawings daw are the oldest form of artwork sa Pilipinas, and they were discovered by Carlos Botong Francisco in 1965. Napansin niya na yung carvings are of primitive quality. So he reported them to the National Museum. There are around 127 drawings still visible in the form of animate figures. animal figures. Yung iba are frog-like, yung iba naman are lizard-like. Meron circular na dome-like head on top of V-shaped torsos. So nung in-investigate ng National Museum, they therefore concluded na these nga are artworks that were probably drawn there by the earliest people. So after ng culture trip swimming naman, hinihintay tayo ni Jam sa baba. Hindi siya sumama eh, pero yan, swimming tayo. Wala siya kagabi. Let's go. Uwian na. Ano tayo?
Going back to Summit Media.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Tayo.
May Rizal.
Tayo, Master.
May resource. Doon naman! Pare, edit mo yun. Ano, purahin mo yun. May akin na, akin na dito. Ano sasabihin ko?
Ikaw, nasabihin mo. Uwian na.
So, uwian na kami. Medyo, balik mo na sa base. Magpe-prepare ulit kami sa panibagong aming biyahe. Medyo pang matagalan. Okay? JT Ventures! Mission dapat ako dyan, ha?
Sige. Ikaw pa ba?
Chill lang na biyahe ko yan. Malapit lang pala. Para hindi tayo ano lang na palo.